Hello friends, good morning. Today we are posting another video in our ECNG channel where we have a big patient from Shillong, Mrs. Yahan, and she presented to us with both ears perforation with discharge and hearing issues. She was suffering from this issue since childhood, but she has been operated once at CMC Vellore. But again she had the similar issues, so she contacted us through YouTube for non-surgical treatment, and we started the ECG treatment, non-surgical treatment on both ears, and today one of his ear, I think right ear is perfectly fine, and left ear is about to get completed in a few days. So here we have Mrs. Yahan, who can tell her story on her own words. Mrs. Yahan.
Yes. Okay, I had this problem ever since I was a young girl, and then I used to have this discharge all the time. But at that time when we visited the ENT doctor, they never told us that I have a problem with my eardrums. So only in the year 2014 I had a problem with my both ears, and then I got operated in CMC Vellore. And after that, after such a long time, I didn't have any problem at all. My hearing also was okay, and then only during that lockdown 2020, I was having a very bad cold maybe. Because of that, I didn't realize that my eardrums also are being affected. So it was very hard for us to visit doctors also during that time, good doctors. So when I was in Shillong, I visited one doctor and he said that I have this perforation in my ears. And there's no other option except through surgery. I don't want to go through surgery anymore.
You didn't want to go for surgery again? Okay.
It's not that I had a bad experience, but then I don't want to be confined in one place for so many days. For more than 2 weeks, I had to be without taking a shower. Hair bath.
The surgeries, pre-surgeries, precautions and post-surgery issues.
So because of that, even if the doctor has advised me to go for another surgery, I didn't want to. So what I do is I was trying, I thought within myself, there must be another procedure that can be done. So what I did is I tried to search the net in 2020. I don't know whether you have produced any YouTube videos. I
No.
don't remember. But
21 years after.
2021, I come across one of your videos, YouTube videos, and I was very happy about it. I've been praying for this kind of a procedure a long time back, and I feel that God has really answered my prayer. So when I contacted you, I didn't know your phone number, and I just searched through the net. There's one doctor, Dr. Ankur Gupta. I sent a message to him through email, and then he replied back. He told me I'm not the one that was doing this kind of a procedure. I do only surgery. So when I was checking YouTube videos again, there is the number, your number. So I called you up. So in that way, I have this confidence when I came from Shillong. I have this full trust that I'll be able to get the treatment that I wanted. And I really thank you and for everything that you have done for me and for everyone else who have benefited from this procedure.
And I should tell about Mrs. Yahan that she is a government employee at a very good post in Shillong, and she had put our trust on this ECG technique, and today she got benefited with that. And her hearing is very much improved. And you tell about your hearing part also. Your hearing is
Yeah, it has improved a lot, and then I feel that there are sometimes when people speak in a very low voice, I couldn't make out what they are saying, but now I can.
you can better. I think when your left ear is healed with this technique, I think your hearing is definitely get improved in a better way. And in your, as a request in your own language, in your local language, you want to give message to the people from Shillong, Assam, so that they can also know. And I think you can be a little louder. I think people can have a better view of this video.
Okay, in my own language. Ngadi ikaw yun, siya po Shillong. Trail po government of Meghalaya, and I don't need any problem, no report, and I don't know. Then I shall Then Asha operated to Hakaslam Anja Kasau, the Karayarapi, the problem Kajama, Samba Hadian Katukat Nisnam, Hakaslam Anja Hako, Providam Nakada, watching Bayam Creek, Palachanga, Namat Yakanika, the joke of problem, Karakta, Bayanga, problem Kajama, Doba, Karakta, Kajing, small Kajama, Karakta, Kajing. Ya kajing ra janga ban communicate teng bagi prio na keren suki nga rakyat ya kanika surgery ya kanika problem ka janga na buat show panganya surgery nga le kuno search apa internet na yu ka YouTube video jang Dr. Angkor but na small comments ka pengaradwai ru boleh ngai karat pengalaman dia kendoi pengalaman wan cengi sedari pengalaman yo kecil sumar ke bangkuan boleh dulu boleh ke benda janga boleh highlight dengan harusnya ajar kuai ngam syarah wan nak kada janga covid tambah ai boleh harusnya ajar Al-Quran Julai Julai nak yo panuan cengi perkara Arab sibon kenika jing sumar ke jong Dr. Angkor nak benda janga buat nganet bagani kandai kalat ke bertemai, ke berbun, ke banyo, ke jing sumat, kamlong ke berjenjan, rehat ni hapan wan kesni, aku OPD, ninyo ke jing sumar, ke jing sumar ke kam tiang, ni hapan don ke jing Aisyah ru, aku por bani wan seni, ke sini tu, aku don ke sini, bani Aisyah sumar, ninyo ke jing sumar ke badai biang ke benda sini. But ngai ngok lu ke doktor ke ba bangalet apa civil hospital di doktor bala ke por bangalet ban request dan refer makani ke cuma ke boleh betan dia bangalet ban ban refer yang sedih support Delhi ke private hospital bisa ke doktor ke rujuk ham refer tambah di doktor bala ke jemrong ha ke cumi ila ailat yang buat ni hak mila bantir ya garu kom sumar kaba kat kum kajing kwa kajungai tila tunda fena banga tap kajing sumu kaba crowd shisha dei ngai kani kala wan dan hi kat kajing rak maka sokar banga terekam sokar bakala yarap sibun ya ki jing peluk ki songan ban kajing sumar batang kini kikentien net bakini kajing ai testimony ke songa kan nong ka jing tu ai ki popun ki bayu I ka video kan nong ka jing ka khui pi bai pleasure.
Thank you. And last one more thing I want to tell ke people ask about the procedures. So is it painful and how is done? So can you brief the people who are viewing? Is it painful and how you feel this procedure?
Okay, for a few sessions, for a few OPD sessions, yes, it's a little bit painful, but I think it's bearable. And I feel that we should not be afraid of this kind of a procedure. Even if it's painful, it doesn't last long. So it's very convenient for me as far as my personal experience.
And you can do your daily activities?
Yeah, I can do. The moment I get out from this OPD clinic, I can go around, I can do anything I want to.
And how long the session takes?
It took only about 5 to 10 minutes. I used to joke with Canada, so I may say that it took us more to get dressed than to get treated on a daily basis.
Hope we'll open up a branch in Shillong soon, so that the distance to the patients get reduced and we can able to help to in different part of the world, and especially in India at least we want to reach. I know you might be opening few clinics in different states, might be soon. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Thank you for this, and I hope that the knowledge that God has given you, you'll be able to use it in a way that helps people.
Definitely, so nice.
And God bless you, and in everything you choose to do in the near future, God will really help you.
Thank you so much.